He got into serious trouble with the law, fled for 4 years, and still became one of the most influential painters who ever lived. Michelangelo Merisi da Caravaggio didn't paint saints. He painted the streets and called them holy. He used everyday people from the streets as models for the Virgin Mary, beggars as apostles, and stark realism as reference for the crucified Christ. He carried a sword everywhere, picked fights in taverns, and had a record with the law longer than his list of patrons. In 1606, during a dispute that spiraled out of control, he ended up taking a man's life. He fled Rome with a bounty on his head, moving from Naples to Malta to Sicily, painting some of his darkest masterpieces while running from his past. Even in exile, cardinals and kings still wanted his work. He died at 38, alone on a beach, waiting for a pardon that never arrived. Who's next?